Hello students, today we shall learn about positive definite matrix. Under this topic, we are going to test whether the given matrix is positive definite or not. The necessary and sufficient condition for the real symmetric matrix A to be positive definite is X transpose AX is greater than 0 for all non-zero real vectors X. The eigenvalues of A satisfy lambda I greater than 0 for all I. That is, all the eigenvalues of A should be positive. And all the upper left submatrices have positive determinants. If we take all the upper left submatrices, the determinant should be greater than 0. For example, suppose we take a matrix of order 3, that is A is equal to first row A11, A12, A13 and second row A21, A22, A23, third row A31, A32, A33. Here the upper left submatrix of order 1 is A11. So determinant A11 should be greater than 0. Now suppose we take left submatrix of order 2, then it is A11, A12, A21, A22. So determinant should be greater than 0. And matrix of order 3, that is matrix A, determinant should be greater than 0. And all the pivots without using row exchange operation, all the pivots should be positive, greater than 0. And there is a matrix R with independent columns such that A can be written as R transpose R. Similarly, for positive semi-definite matrix, the necessary and sufficient condition for the real symmetric matrix A to be positive semi-definite is X transpose AX is greater than or equal to 0 for all vectors X. All the eigenvalues of A satisfy lambda I greater than or equal to 0 and at least one eigenvalue is 0. That means the eigenvalues of A are greater than or equal to 0. No principal submatrices have negative determinants. That means if we take all the upper left submatrices, their determinant should be greater than or equal to 0. And no pivots are negative. So all the pivots are greater than or equal to 0. And there is a matrix R with dependent columns such that A can be written as R transpose R. Now let us work out few problems on positive definite matrices to test whether the given matrix is positive definite or not. Question number 1. Check the matrix S for positive definiteness. The given matrix is S is equal to first row 5, 6, second row 6, 7. Here, to test whether the given matrix is positive definite or not, we can find the eigenvalues of S. If the eigenvalues of S are greater than 0, then we can say that it is positive definite. So we shall find the eigenvalues now. To find the eigenvalues, we require characteristic equation. So characteristic equation is determinant S minus lambda is 0. That is determinant of 5 minus lambda 6, 7 minus lambda equal to 0. On expanding this determinant, it is 5 minus lambda into 7 minus lambda minus 36 equal to 0, or it gives 35 minus 5 lambda minus 7 lambda plus lambda square minus 36 equal to 0. That gives lambda square minus 12 lambda plus 1 equal to 0. Here we are getting quadratic equation. So we can find the roots using the formula for quadratic equation, that is lambda equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we are getting lambda equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 plus 4 divided by 2. That will be 12 plus or minus square root of 148 divided by 2. That is lambda equal to 12 plus root 48 divided by 2. This value is positive. And another value lambda is equal to 12 minus root 148 divided by 2. This value is negative because here square root of 148 is greater than 12. So 12 minus root 48, 148, this should be negative. So here the eigenvalues, one eigenvalue is positive but another eigenvalue is negative. So we can conclude that S is not positive definite. Or we can check the positive definiteness of the matrix by finding the determinants of upper left submatrices. Here the given matrix is of order 2. So if we take the upper left submatrix of order 1, that is 5. So determinant, it is determinant of A11 is 5, it is greater than 0, and we take the determinant of S, that is determinant 5, 6, 6, 7. So determinant value, it is 35 minus 36, it equal to minus 1. So this value is negative. So upper left submatrix, if all the upper left submatrices have positive determinant, then the matrix is positive definite. Here we are getting negative value, so this is not a positive definite. Let us work out one more problem, that is question number 2. Test to see if A transpose A is positive definite. The given matrix A is first row 1 1, second row 1 2, third row 2 1. So we have to test A transpose A for positive definiteness. Now let us find A transpose A by using given matrix A. So A transpose, that is a transpose of matrix A, that is first column 1 1, second column 1 2, third column 2 1. Multiply by matrix A, that is first row 1 1, second row 1 2 and third row 2 1. So when we multiply this, A transpose A will be first row 6 5 and second row 5 6. Now we check the matrix A transpose A for positive definiteness. Here we can check the positive definiteness by finding the determinants of upper left submatrices. We take submatrix of order 1, that is A11 equal to 6. Determinant is 6, it is greater than 0. And suppose we take A transpose A determinant, it is determinant of 6 5 5 6, 36 minus 35 greater than 0. So upper left submatrices have positive determinant, so A transpose A is positive definite. We can also test the matrix for positive definiteness by finding the eigenvalues also. The characteristic equation is A minus lambda I, determinant A minus lambda I equal to 0. So here we find the characteristic equation for A transpose A, that is 6 minus lambda 5, 5 6 minus lambda. So characteristic equation is determinant 6 minus lambda 5, 5 6 minus lambda equal to 0. That will be 6 minus lambda whole square minus 25 equal to 0. On expanding this, we obtain lambda square minus 12 lambda plus 36 minus 25 equal to 0, or lambda square minus 12 lambda plus 11 equal to 0. We can factorize this to find lambda values. We factorize like this. It is lambda square minus 11 lambda minus lambda plus 11 equal to 0, or it will be lambda into lambda minus 11 minus of lambda minus 11 equal to 0. So this gives two values. The lambda values are 1 and 11. So these are the eigenvalues. The eigenvalues are positive. Since the eigenvalues of A transpose A are positive, we can say that A transpose A is positive definite.